how to run Llama 3.2 on Google Colab with the help of Ollama. This is a 4-step process. The first is we need to download Xterm for Colab and then we will run it. Second is we will download Ollama, install it and run it. Third thing is we will download Llama 3.2 model. And fourth, we will run and test the model. So let's go step by step. So first step, let's go to Google Colab. Here you have to make sure that you are logged in into your Gmail account because some of the company accounts don't have Colabs available. So go to this new notebook to create your new notebook. To run any LLM models, it is a good idea to have a GPU attached to your system. So here what you need to do is you need to go here on the connect and there's this additional connection options here. You just click on it and you click on this change runtime type. So this will allow you to attach a GPU with your machine. So you click here and you have this T4 GPU available. This is available for free without any cost. If you want to use it for very long periods, you might need to go for a pro plan. But to test it out and everything, I'm using it for free here. So this is T4 GPU. You click on save and then you connect to that machine by clicking on the connect button. So this is the initiation. Your machine is restarting. You will be assigned some RAM, some CPU and a GPU attached to it, which is G4, which has its own VRAM. So now you can see there's a check mark here. You can click on this and see your resources allotted to you. So you can see that there's approximately 13 GB of RAM allotted to you. There's a 15 GB of GPU RAM, which is called VRAM or video RAM, which is allotted to you. So this is what is allotted to you. So the first thing what you need to do is you come here and you start coding. So first thing what you need to do is to install your colab-xterm. So we click on it. It will take some time and do the installation. And now you can see that successfully installed colab-xterm 0.2.0. Next step is to start this Xterm. So you click on this plus code here again, and this will give you one more section here, and you write this command. So you load the Xterm and you click on it, and this will take some time and will open a terminal for you inside your Google Colab. And now you have a terminal with you, and here you can do whatever you want to do here. This is the installation of Xterm. That is first step, which is completed. Now the second step is to download and install Ollama, for which we will use this command here. Please note that all these commands are available in the description for you if you want to use them. So what we are doing is, this is coming from this website called ollama.com, and here you can click on the download button, and on the Linux system you can see this command. So this is the command which we are using here to download. So the latest version of Ollama is being downloaded. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so now you can see that the Ollama is downloaded. Now the important thing is we need to run Ollama as a server in the background and then do our queries. So the command is Ollama serve, but we want to run it in the background. So what we do is we give this command Ollama serve and we redirect our std out and std error both to dev null, means we don't want a lot of output to be thrown on the screen. So we give this command. Again, this command is also in the description. So now our Ollama server is running on the background, and we can check it with the command Ollama help. If this command is providing you the help, that means your Ollama is running in the background. Now the next step is to download Llama 3.2 version. For that, what we'll do is we'll go to this Ollama website again, and here we will go into the models directory, and here we can search for Llama 3.2. You can see there's a Llama 3.2 vision version which runs on images as well. We don't want that. We want Llama 3.2. Okay, and here you can see there are two versions, 1 billion and 3 billion. Let's say you want to use the standard 3 billion version. So we have this command Ollama run Llama 3.2. We copy this command and go to our Colab, and we enter this command here. Now, what this command will do is it will go to Ollama website, check the manifest, and then will download this whole system, which is approximately, you can see here, 2 GB. Now, that 2 GB will be downloaded in your Google Drive. Please remember, this is a temporary storage. If you don't save this and close this, all this data will be removed and deleted. Now you can see that it is being downloaded and completed. So writing manifest and success. Now, if you want, you can say just buy and can see what models you have installed. So Ollama list. Okay. So now it is showing that you have Llama 3.2, the latest model. This is a 2 GB in size, and this is modified 16 seconds ago, means just downloaded. If you want to see some information about it, you can say Ollama show Llama 3.2. Okay. This will show that this is a Llama based model, 3.2 billion parameter model. The context length is 128K. Embedding length is 3072, and this is a quantized 4 version, KM version. Okay. And other details here, license, etc. Now you want to give your queries. So what we do is Ollama Run Llama 3.2, and we say verbose. So verbose is telling it to print the statistics at the end of every query. For example, how many tokens it can produce in a second. And we can also see the performance when we click on this. You can see that right now small amount of GPU RAM is being used. But as soon as we start this command here, you will see that the model 2 GB model is loaded into the RAM. So our RAM will increase slightly and it will start printing. So, oops. So we go here 3.2 and it is started. So we say hi and it is here. Tell me a short story. And here is a short story. Tell me 12 stages of a hero's life. Okay. Okay. So it is working fine, and you can see that it is able to create 61 tokens per second. 1000 token would approximately would be 80,000 token would be approximately 800 to 900 words. So 60 tokens, I would say it's approximately 50 words a second approximately. So now you have your running Llama 3.2 on Google Colab, and you can ask any query you want from it and it will reply to you. So that is how you set up your Colab with Xterm, run Ollama in the background, and then download the model and run queries on the model as I have shown here. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.